You think that kind of transparency should be standard for all government projects like DPWH, DOH, LGUs? How do we enforce?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, we just introduced a new procurement code that's basically able to address na all the problems of the previous procurement code. Yan nakadakita all these things like the audit and all the other inefficiencies that allowed niya. Kumbaga, iton nagkakadakitahin kumbaga, iton naton checks and balance, very good kaupay. Now I'm confident we have a better procurement code, but we still need to work.
Nag-author Hiniko?
Kami.
Wow. Okay.
One of the principal authors. Pero there are still a lot of things that we need to address. We passed a procurement code, but we weren't able to pass the auditing code on time.
Correct.
So yan na nagkakaproblema kita at implementation, kaya may mga iba nga auditors nga who prefer to keep the old system. So kay waray pa man kapasaan aton current yan nga an aton waray pang kabalyod aton current yan nga auditing code. We're working on that and we're hoping that this Congress will be able to pass the auditing code. Iton iba nga mga concerns kasi Ate Miriam, I think it's really have to do with implementation. We all have good and sound policies. Yung sisiring the director ng DepEd, gusto nila maging mas transparent. There's already all the laws that we need, all the policies that we have set. It's really a matter of implementing them. I think what's important is uniform application of the law.
Correct.
It's making sure whether a region, a probinsya, a national, the same standards are being adhered to. Kung sumiring amin at reporting requirements, amin dapat ito sundon, di ba? And that goes, as mentioned kanina, it's really efficiency in government, di ba? Ano naman la kung an imo supplier or an imo negosyante who does business with government, baka to 1 week pag submit ang papel, may sayop. 1 week otro para i-correct.
Agoy.
Dapat papapiran hin billing. 1 week otro na liwat.
Kakapoy.
Para lang manukotin o sa nga transaksyon, maupat, malima kasimana ka.
Kabalik.
So, upat, lima kabalik. So, ano yung mo bubuhaton? Makatukan shortcut. Makigstorya ka.
Mahukip.
Correct. So, it's really implementing, making sure that all the opportunities for manipulation na stop yung daan, di ba? Kay, ate, yun ang natatrabaho gobyerno, mag-upay nga tao. Pero, may mga tao nga iba-iba't panghinahanglan yan. Sometimes, the temptation to, take something for yourself is there.
Ang tinatawag na
buhay-buhay. It would be unfair to me to say nga, mga kurakot itira nga, because I know a lot of good people in government. Danay aton kinanglan paniguruhon. Ayusin natin it sistema. Ayusin natin sistema. Sigurado natin nga pag-apply, uniform. Sigurado natin nga iton supervision, sakto. Sigurado natin nga iton checks and balance sa ada.